It's gonna crawl. Do you want to eat your sister?
Again.
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Uh-huh.
First she smiles and then she comes back to my shirt and then she drools.
Oh. Wow, look at you, baby.
Whoa. Kara.
Wow.
Kara. What's the big deal? What's the big deal?
Izzy, don't let her eat your shirt.
She's running out. She's putting her chin on it. Tickles.
Baby's trying to crawl, huh?
Mm.
Baby's trying to crawl. Whoa, look at you. Look at you, look at you, look at you.
That's how she does it. She doesn't know how to flip yet. Dance to the music. Dance to the music. Dance to the music.
Silly girls.